Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how to upscale your image in Canva for free. So first you need to go to Canva. You can do this by clicking the first link in the description or just googling Canva. Once you're on the Canva homepage, select a format that corresponds to the format of the image that you want to upscale. For example, the image that I want to upscale is square, so I will just choose a logo format. Once you have selected your format, you need to upload the image that you want to upscale. I have already previously uploaded it, so I will go to My Uploads right here and drag the image to the workspace. Now you need to select the image by clicking on it. Then go to Edit Image in the upper left corner. Here, go to the bottom row and select Image Upscaler. Now for the maximum quality, I would recommend to 4x upscale your image. And click Upscale Image. And now when the image is upscaled, just click Replace. Now just adjust your image to your frame and then click Share, go to Download and simply press Download. So that's how you can upscale an image for free using Canva. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel further, you can check out my Buy Me a Coffee link in the description below. Thank you for watching.